Hello everyone, welcome to the Absolute Veritas. I'm Jaspreet and in this video I will quickly explain what BIS is and what is its role and CRS certification and the basic process. So let's start with the basic. What is BIS? BIS stands for the Bureau of Indian Standards. It is the India's national standard authority responsible for setting safety, quality, and a performance standard for products sold in the Indian market. Now let's understand what is the role of BIS. The main role of the BIS is to ensure that the products are safe, reliable, and compliant with the Indian standard. BIS protect consumer, improve product quality, and ensure fair trade by enforcing mandatory certification for notified products. What is BIS CRS? CRS is the compulsory registration scheme. Applies mainly to the electronic and IT products. Under the CRS, products must be tested in BIS recognized laboratories and registered with the BIS before manufacturing, importing, or selling in India. Now let's come to the process for the CRS, and the process includes creating the account, sample testing, and online application submission, then documentation, and then finally the grant of the license. So, what are the main documents required? Some common documents are self-declaration of conformity, test report from BIS recognized labs, and manufacturing unit details, authorized signatory details, sample details for testing, and product details. Securing BIS CRS registration for electronics and IT products is mandatory before entering the Indian market. Manufacturer must obtain BIS registration to use the BIS standard mark with an R number confirming compliance with Indian safety standard. To make this process easier, Absolute Veritas provides end-to-end BIS CRS support from documentation and sample coordination to testing and final approval, ensuring a smooth and timely certification journey. Thank you.
For more information, you can contact us. Email us at the cs@absoluteveritas.com and call us at 7303215033. And you can also visit our website, that is absoluteveritas.com.